Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 226. This was the 13th of April 2023, a Thursday. So I did exercise, I did Remote Wellness Academy, I did insurance, I did books, and I have a doctor's appointment. So that was basically my day for this day. And my gratitude goes out to a gentleman by the name of Ricky Valdez, who is my sponsor in I Am Academy. And we are launching a travel program. So it's a travel program that's already in existence, but we're taking it to the next level. And travel is a passion of mine. So Ricky is helping me build my new travel business. I'll have more details about that later, but I wanted to say today that I am very grateful that he's helping me build this business. And he's had success with it, and now I am also leveraging his success in my own business, and I can help you do the same with yours. So thanks very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thanks.